so incredibly cool to be here at CoMotion. Just all sorts of innovators across mobility, autonomy, cars, flying boats, you name it, it's here. And it's just an amazing sort of thought center to workshop with other leaders, to get new transportation technologies into the world. Couldn't be happier to be here.
CoMotion gave me the reason to come out here to California to meet companies who are inventing. We've got Brits here as well as, companies from across the US showing us the future of transport.